In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Etsy. To begin, sign in to your Shopify admin. Once you are on your main dashboard, you will be using the Shopify App Store. Because connecting Etsy to Shopify is typically done through an approved integration app, look for the Apps area in your Shopify admin, then open the App Store from there. Inside the App Store, search for an Etsy integration and select the option that lets you connect an Etsy account. When you see the Connect Etsy Account option, click it to start the setup. This is the point where Shopify will guide you into installing the Etsy Connector app and beginning the authorization process. Next, install the Etsy app. As you go through the install screens, you will be asked to review the data access and permissions the app needs. Take a moment to read what information the app can access, since this is what allows it to sync products, inventory, and order details between Shopify and Etsy. When you are ready, continue by choosing the Install, Authorize, or Approve option, depending on what your screen shows. You may be prompted to sign into your Etsy account during this part, so make sure you are using the correct Etsy shop. After the app is installed and authorized, you will be asked to choose your plan. Select the plan that fits your store needs and expected sales volume. Some plans support more frequent syncing, more listings, or additional automation. If you are just getting started, choose the plan that matches your current workflow, with the option to upgrade later if you need more features. Finally, run a test sync. This is an important verification step because it confirms the connection is working and that stock levels match on both sites. Let the test sync complete. Then check a few products to confirm inventory counts. Look correct in Shopify and on Etsy. If anything looks off, give the sync a moment and recheck, since some systems take a short time to update. And that is all there is to it.